Hello, my little scientists. I'm Professor Zapnik, friend of the Northern Stars and master of chilly science. Today, I'm inviting you on an icy adventure. Destination, the top of the world, the North Pole. The northernmost point on Earth. It's where the top of the map points where up is up. All lines of longitude meet here, and you can't go any further north because this is the very top of the planet. Its coordinates? 90-degree north latitude. That means if a penguin wandered up there, it could say, "I'm on top of the world," although penguins live at the South Pole. But that's another story. So, what's actually up there? Land? Mountains? Cities? A twist in the tale. The North Pole is not land, but ice floating on top of the ocean. That ocean is called the Arctic Ocean. The ice is thick, sometimes several meters. It's like a floating frozen cake. Sometimes it creaks and cracks, and sometimes it slides like a figure skater. And the weather? Cold? Brr, that doesn't even begin to describe it. In winter, it can be as cold as -40 Celsius, and in summer, it's still around -10 or 0 Celsius. But the sun does come out sometimes. In winter, there's 6 months of darkness, called polar night. In summer, the sun never sets. That's polar day. Imagine summer sunshine in a parka. Do you know who lives up there? Let's find out. People? No one lives there permanently, but some animals love the cold. For example, polar bears, the kings of the Arctic. They swim, hunt, and, okay, maybe not snowball fight, but they're fierce. Seals, and yes, they're the polar bear's favorite snacks. Narwhals, unicorn whales, straight out of a fantasy book. Arctic birds, like gulls, puffins, and snowy owls. They visit during the warmer months. Reindeer, in surrounding Arctic lands. Not flying ones, but real ones, with cozy fur and antlers. The North Pole is like Earth's air conditioner. Its icy temperatures help keep the planet's climate in balance. If it gets too warm there, it affects sea levels and weather everywhere. Melting ice means rising seas, and that can be dangerous for cities around the world. Sadly, because of climate change, the ice is melting faster than ever. This puts animals and the whole planet in danger. But if we take care of nature, save energy, and avoid pollution, we can still help. That's why brave scientists sometimes set up research stations right on the ice. They study the weather, ice, and animals even in freezing cold to help protect the Arctic. Well, young explorers, now you know what the North Pole really is. A floating ice plate at the top of the world full of polar bears, seals, and chilly wonders. Let's take care of it, because there's only one.